Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1964 Buick Riviera with a gorgeous 425 cubic inch V8 with 340 horsepower, but the torque, Jake, are you ready?
Yes.
465.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow, it's a numbers matching engine. It's got a 3-speed TH400 transmission, maroon exterior, duh. Black vinyl interior with wood trim, power windows, power brakes, power steering, AC, and adjustable air ride. Ooh.
Yeah, you notice it's sitting pretty low, and that's not how low it drives.
No, look at I love Buick. Look how they do it. Look how they do it. Look at the instrumentation panel. God, I love Buick.
Yeah, the interior's pretty stock still. The outside is what looks different on this one, obviously with the ride height and everything. Lovely interior though. The seats are awesome, super comfy. Black, you gotta love that. Front and back seats, doors open and close, fantastic.
Look at the back, the trunk. It's a big trunk, even with the air ride system involved.
Yeah. You still got plenty of space for your luggage.
You do.
But there's your massive air tanks and controllers and stuff back there. One for the front, one for the back, I suppose. You got your floor mats and stuff back here too. Very nice.
Look at this side, just as good as that side.
It is. I love this paint, by the way.
There's 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Ooh, ah.
Yeah, they're big.
Oh, they're not small.
Big old wheels. Lovely door panels. Yeah, the interior on these Buicks are just so ornate and cool looking and unique.
It's Buick.
And comfy. Right. Big boat of a car.
The opening of this is fun. It's right here. You just go like that. I'll struggle with it, but it's still fun. But there's the old Wildcat.
There it is. Hey, is that air conditioning?
Oh, it's got air conditioning, buddy. Power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, and a phone call. Okay, I'll bring it right over to him. Thank you. Bye.
All right.
Well, let's just start the car up first.
Oh my goodness. There goes the rear. He's lifting the front now and getting it all level. Here's your microphone.
Thank you.
Oh. The tanks are filling with air.
Oh, yes.
You can hear the little compressors back there working away. The front is now up, and we're taking off.
We're driving forward.
Forward is the way we're going.
Thus, forward it is.
There you go. Now you're in drive.
Now we've done it.
We were rolling forward in neutral.
Rolling with the homies. Wow.
This is very nice. This man has a Jeep, a similar color to our Buick, but ours is prettier.
And ours is cool. It's wicked smart.
It is wicked smart, and it's on air ride.
But it doesn't have Smart Pack.
It does not have Smart Pack. That's a Hyundai thing.
It is. And this is a Buick.
A big...
It's kind of menacing, but I love the interior. Can we talk about that for an hour?
Yeah, the interior is fantastic. You have Riviera over here on the dashboard. It's just lovely. The old school radio is still over here in the middle. You have a button for the antenna. Is it electric antenna?
Whoa, boogie woogie woogie.
I don't know how.
Oh, look, it's going up. It was going up. Oh.
Look at that. There it goes. And then that's down, maybe? Oh, yep. Look at that. That's impressive.
Most impressive.
Courtesy light as well. I don't know what that does.
It's courtesy.
Turns on a courtesy light.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
Oh, tilty wheel.
Tilty wheel for you and all the kids playing along at home.
Here's the controls for your defogger and everything, air conditioning.
We're up.
The tank just turned off, which means or the compressor turned off, which means our air tanks are full.
I love a full tank.
Very nice. Does this have cruise control?
I believe it does. We're gonna have to try it out when we get moving.
This little button says cruise on it.
Ooh, those are the horns. Don't touch that.
Yes, the horns are very nice. I love the R for Riviera in the wheel and the nice gauges. They're lovely.
Oh, they're wonderful. Oh my gosh, a working clock right in the middle. Would you look at it?
Is it working?
Yeah, second hand's going.
This thing is, oh!
I know. It's for the ashtray, but...
So yeah, was for the ashtray, but now this is the buttons for your air ride.
It's not, you can't smoke in this car, kids.
But you can cover them up, which is nice, so you don't accidentally hit them while you're driving, or...
Well, that'd be something.
And it just looks better. Is this... There's a cigarette lighter back here on the console. I guess it's for the people in the back seats.
Do you have a cigarette lighter on your door? No, I don't have one.
No, I
either.
don't, but I do have an electric window switch.
Oh, it's electric.
It's
Boogie
electric.
woogie woogie.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Don't you love that?
And they're fast. That's impressive.
Well, everything in this car is fast. How about these torques?
This thing floats.
I love the torque.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah!
Oh wow, yeah, it's got
Sorry
torque.
about that, folks.
It's got torque.
I decided to punch it a little bit. We were behind some sort of parade. I don't know what was going on.
Man.
Oh, love this car. The lines on it, it just looks cool.
It does look cool.
For 64, this is pretty shocking. I'd imagine it turned everyone's heads.
Yeah, it turns them now. I'm sure it turned it then.
Absolutely.
I think I like the headliner. It's like a silver color.
Oh.
Goes really well with the black interior and maroon exterior. Very cool.
And I do know the air ride system was put in between the years of 2014 and 2016. And
Nice.
somewhere from a guy in Florida.
Also love.
Beautiful Florida.
I don't think the camera's focusing, but the little badge on the front of the hood has the R in it too.
Darn right. A
Very
Rolls
cool.
Royce. I mean Riviera.
Nah, it's for Riviera.
It's like a Rolls though.
Just one R. It does ride like a Rolls.
God, it
It's
rides
very
nice.
comfy.
Is that? I guess that's the air ride system. It just rides nice.
Yeah, the airbags do ride comfortable.
Wow.
Got cool vents for the AC. You twist them around.
You gotta love vents.
Very cool. Nice. Very nice.
It's just kind of a nice day. It's not real too terribly hot, so.
No, it's not. It's about 80 here in Missouri, but it's June, so I would have thought it'd be hotter by now.
Should be,
But luckily for us, fingers crossed, it's taken a while for it to get scalding hot here.
we're easing into it. Don't
Yeah.
worry, that vinyl will soon burn our legs,
Yes.
just like it did when I was a kid.
This does have black vinyl, which is not ideal for the hot weather, but get a one of those foil things for your windshield, you'll be
The
fine.
foil things, he calls it, ladies and gentlemen.
Got more storage here for stuff, and another ashtray here for the people in the back. Their windows are also electric back there, of course. It's comfy,
It is very comfy.
and it's got presents,
Oh, it's got some
and it's
presents.
not Santa Claus. I'm talking about presents with a C.
See what he's saying.
Yes.
You see what he's saying? I see what he's saying. Nice Tahoe. Not really. Same color as this.
Yeah, but there's a lot more metal flake in this. When the sun hits it just right, it's like a brighter red. It's just gorgeous. It's like a pearl. I absolutely love
Listen
it.
to it rumble.
And the wheels are huge. And I
20
didn't know
inch.
how I felt about them at first, but they're growing on me. It's such a big car. You could
yeah.
put really big wheels on it, especially a luxury car like this.
And it's luxury, baby.
And it just works.
This is 64. I mean, it's amazing how nice it is.
I know. The faux wood everywhere is just plush.
I love faux wood.
Very nice. If it was a Rolls, it would have had real wood, but you know, Buick was
True. It was still
down
GM.
with the faux wood.
Oh, yeah. Why wouldn't they
Still
be?
looks good. Nice carpet in this black seats, like we already mentioned. I like the stitching in the seats too. The buttons that go down the middle of it, the big chrome R panel in between the seats in the back. The back is one bench, but it's almost like a split bucket style. Oh, this lifts up, I think.
What?
Yeah, it's almost like a split bucket in the back, so really only 4 people are getting in this at once. But how many friends do you need, really?
How many friends do you even have? I ask you.
3, so this is perfect.
That is actually wonderful. You can all go cruising. 465 foot-pounds of torque, eh?
It's a lot.
It is.
I'd say plenty.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good way to describe it. I don't think you need more than that. Oh my goodness. Sorry. That's impressive, because these are really big wheels and tires.
Man,
And it chirped them pretty good.
it did. Sorry about the chirp. It happens. It's a lot
Happens
of
to the
torques.
best of us, and him.
Whoa, that was rude.
Steering's nice.
Steering's very nice. I like the skinny steering wheels.
Yeah.
You know, they all are fat right now. Your hands like this on them, but these are cool, the skinny wheels.
And we have nice power steering, so
Oh, it's
you
wonderful.
put a pinky on it
And tilty.
and drive this thing around.
I'll drive it
You're
like this. Hello, everyone. Hello. Our bus driver. Hey, everybody.
Oh my
I started
goodness.
making the stops. Kept ringing the bell.
Good Lord.
Oh, Kramer. Oh, Mr. Kramer. What a great show that was.
We're almost at our flyby spot. This does sound pretty good from the outside, I think. We're gonna find out.
We are going to find out.
I'll do a couple of flybys.
Please. And when you do them, be sure you fly by.
Yes.
Traffic out there, so of course. Oh, somebody's honking. Someone's a honky. What? Here we are.
Here we are. Black dashboard as well. I forgot to mention no cracks or anything in it.
No.
Looks fantastic. And non-droopy visors.
Oh,
They stay up there where you leave them.
That's where you want them. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're off. Look at that rear end, ladies and gentlemen. That's a nice one. I'm not talking about you, Jake. Talking about the car. Good luck, Jake. We're all counting on you. Oof. It's a cool car. It is a Wicket for 64. Man, that's pretty amazing. Oh, God. It's louder than I thought it would be. Good old Buick Riviera. Really. Always been kind of cool. I remember in the late 90s they looked like eggs, but they had a supercharger on them, which was cool. This one, 425, 340 horse, 465 foot-pounds of torque. And it looks like this? That's pretty incredible. Wow. He's moving. It's cool. Interior's probably as good as the exterior. Can't say that about all cars. Da 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 da.
Hello.
You look like quite the stately gentleman in this Riviera.
I tell you what,
Tell me.
you were right about this having torque.
Yeah, it's got a ton of
It's got a ton of torque.
You don't expect
You barely put your foot in it and it kind of shoves you back into the seat. I love this car.
Oh yeah, it's cool. It's just a nice looking car, and you're right. Look at that metal flake. You can see it real good in the sun, folks.
I know.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
And we
No, it
don't
really
get
is.
we don't get a lot of cars with air ride, so this is kind of a cool experience for me.
It's different, but I like it.
I know. Plus on this car it kind of works. A big boat with massive wheels.
Absolutely.
It's pretty and I want to take it back now.
All right, let's go back. Big
Let's
guy.
do it.